In the pulse of the night, feel the heat. Beats that guide, a rhythm so sweet. Lights are dancing, shadows fade away. We're all as one in this endless way. Colors flow like a vivid dream. The rhythm grows, takes us to extremes. Leave it all behind, let the world spin round in the sound where we're unbound. Up and down, the energy won't cease. Light and sound, my universe in peace. Running through my veins, exploding in the air. On the floor with stars beyond compare. Echoes of memories under the neon glow. Step the line, we're a seamless flow. Every chord, a burst of emotion. Breaking barriers, sparking devotion. Colors flow like a vivid dream. The rhythm grows, takes us to extremes. Leave it all behind, let the world spin round in the sound where we're unbound. Up and down, the energy won't cease. Light and sound, my universe in peace. Running through my veins, exploding in the air. On the floor with stars beyond compare. Up and down, the energy won't cease. Light and sound, my universe in peace. Running through my veins, exploding in the air. On the floor with stars beyond compare. And when the beat drops, the silence speaks. I breathe it in as the moment peaks. We feel it now, nothing else remains. The music rises and breaking shades. Up and down, the energy won't cease. Light and sound, my universe in peace. Running through my veins, exploding